Hello everyone, I'm Ike and it's great to have you back. From our previous tutorial, we created a database successfully and also coded our tables. We also successfully imported these tables into our database and went further to add a field to the admin table just for login purposes later. Well, in today's tutorial, we are going to be connecting to this database we've created. In order to connect, we are going to be using PDO, which is a more secure way of doing database stuff from PHP. I've downloaded a library called ezsql, and the guys there have gone ahead to make using PDO quite easy. We'll be using ezsql for our connection purposes and querying of our database. Alright, I'm going to put a link below this video for you to download ezsql. So I've already downloaded. I'm just going to paste it in here. Alright, what I'm going to do is to create a new folder, tables, and move all of these table files into this folder right here. Now paste ezsql here. Good. Now once that's done, we are going to create a file with which we are going to connect to the database. I'll go back to my Sublime text. I'm going to create a new file right here, and I'm going to save it as, say, db database underscore config .php. Alright, make sure you have all files down here. Then location will be diagnosis out of the SQL folder in the core folder and save. Alright, so when next you open core, we have db underscore config right here. Now this is how you connect to your database using ezsql. First of all, we are going to define a number of constants. Our database user will be root for me. The password is going to be empty. The database name is diagnosis like we created earlier. The host is localhost, and encoding, I'm going to leave it blank. Now, these two lines are very important in order to connect to ezsql. Okay, you have to include these two files. If we go back to our file structure, you'd notice that once I open up ezsql, these files are actually sitting here. ezsql, we have the shared folder, shared, then you have this ezsql core, which is the first one, and ezsql mysqli. Okay, this one is in a separate folder, so back one bit, ezsql, so go to mysqli right here, and then this. So these are the two files we are including from our config file here, and then this is where we connect to the database. This is our connection string. We create a variable db, which we are going to use to query the database subsequently. We instantiate it into a new ezsql mysqli. This is exactly what you need to do, guys, to connect. So you just follow exactly like this, and then you key in the db user, which we've defined here as root, db password, which we've defined as blank, empty, our database name, which is diagnosis from right here, the db host, localhost, and then the encoding type. Now, if in future we wish to change any of this, you don't need to mess with the connection string. You just come here and change. That's the essence of using these constants. Alright, that being said, I think we've successfully connected to our database, even though we can't use it yet. But once we start creating the system, we'll use this connection that we've created. I'm going to save. I would want to finally encourage you guys to please subscribe to the channel and then leave comments below. Let me see some activities going on. Like my videos, leave comments, and let me know you guys are there. it's really good to know that I'm adding value to someone, so I would want to be encouraged to keep doing what I do. And thank you guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial.